friends. Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to a Diamond Art Club haul video. Yep, I went shopping again, and don't know why I keep doing this. I didn't buy as many as what I did last month, though. So we're at the end of October 2025, and I only bought 4. Okay, so not bad. I need to stop. I gotta save my money. So hopefully this won't be the last for a little while. I do have some points collected and stuff, so hopefully there's 2 in stock that I want to get. Unfortunately, though, November is right around the corner, and that means the Black Friday sale will probably be going on, which is the day after Thanksgiving sale, which is, for those of you outside of the United States, the day after Thanksgiving is the 28th? 29th, 28th. What day is it? It's a Friday. It's the 28th this year, the 28th of November. So hopefully, there will be some good restocks that happen. I am looking forward to see what is coming out. I know that in years past, they have had some previews and stuff ahead of time as to what is coming out that weekend and everything else. And I think there's a Cyber Monday that happens too. I got to be conservative with my money, okay? I've got some plans coming up that I need to be conservative with my money. Still going to go shopping, though, at some point, probably. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into what I purchased this last time. All right, so here we have the Clown Prince. And I'm just so giddy about this one. I have been a fan of Batman since I was a child. Okay, I've watched the movies. The first movie I watched was the original Batman that came out in the 80s. Loved that. Loved Michael Keaton and Jack Nicholson in that. The Joker is probably, in my opinion, the most iconic character from the Batman series. And for me, sorry, I've got a lot. I'm sorry, the Clown Prince of Crime is what this one is called. But it just brings me back to my childhood when it comes to looking at this, looking at a lot of different things when it comes to DC and how I grew up, and Batman especially. There was, like I had mentioned, the movie. There was the second movie that came out with Michael Keaton and Michelle Pfeiffer and Danny DeVito. There was the animated series that came out in the 90s, which is my favorite. That one is probably what resonates with me the most. And I don't know. This artwork to me is just really, really cool. I love it so much. Looking at this. So it is 20 by 30. And as you can see, my microphone is up here. I'm trying something new. We're going to see what happens with it. So hopefully this turns out pretty well. Anyway, so this is 20 by 30, and it's 44 colors with 2 ABs. So a total of 62,220 diamonds. Doesn't seem very big. Pardon me. But again, it's going to be a lot of fun. This one, I don't know exactly what we're going to do with it. I might do a live, I might do a storyline, I might do some history when it comes to this. I'm not sure yet. We've got a lot of time to figure that out. What I do know, though, is that this is just going to be a lot of fun. I don't know, this is going to be really cool. And I'm actually really excited to do an unboxing with this one, too, because I can't wait to see the color palette. I can't wait to see the different greens and the purples that are in this. All right, so here's our next one. Next one is Autumn Letter. Now, when this one originally came out, I wasn't able to get it, unfortunately. It sold out extremely quick. And this one is by Ivy Dollamore. It is just a gorgeous, gorgeous painting. There's a little story behind it. You've got this little witch here writing a letter, and I believe there's a little pigeon carrier up here. Holding something as well. So I think we can definitely do something with this. Again, there's so many projects that are going on, but I can't help but buy these because I know I'm going to be able to do something with them. And that's mostly what I'm buying and why I'm buying it. Is it going to take some time to get through some of this stuff? Sure. Sure. But you know what? That's okay. We've got all the time in the world to go through and sit down and do this. So I hope you guys are enjoying the stories, and I hope you're enjoying the channel. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified on when we upload videos, and go ahead and comment down below. With any of the paintings that I'm showing you today, have you done them? How did you enjoy them? Are they on your wish list? Let me know. With this one, the size is 22 by 22, so a nice square. And that's inches, by the way. This has 80 colors, though, with 2 ABs, 1 frosted diamond, and 3 fairy dust diamonds included in those 80 colors. Total diamonds, 40,804. This is going to be, I don't know if it's really going to be confetti heavy or if it's just going to be, I don't know. I'm going to be curious to do an unboxing for this one, too. Just to kind of see what the canvas looks like, to see how it's laid out and everything. I know there have been a couple of unboxings out there already on this one, I think, from what I have seen, at least from the initial release. But still, it's not going to hurt for me to go through and take a look at it and see what the color palette's like and see what we can do with this. Of course, I'm sitting here, you know, looking at this. Helps if you guys can see it too. But yeah, let me know what you think. All right, for this next one, you can see this is called London View. And it is a gorgeous, gorgeous, it's just black, white, red. It's an amazing painting. It doesn't have a lot of colors, but it speaks volumes. I got this one because I'm going to manifest. I'm manifesting. I'm thinking I want to take a trip. So hopefully, eventually, sometime soon, or in a couple years maybe, I don't know. But I'm trying to manifest a trip to London at some point in my future. I've always wanted to go. I've always thought it would be a lot of fun to be able to go to England and see a lot of the different scenery and everything. So that's kind of what this would end up being, is my trip over there would be the story of when I do this diamond art painting. Now, as for the specs for this, it's 28 inches by 21.7 inches. It only has 22 colors with 2 ABs. So 20 regular colors, 2 ABs. It's 60,264 diamonds. So this will be interesting with only being 22 colors. I mean, yeah, there's going to be a lot of blocking that's in here, but again, the unboxing of this is going to be curious. And I know that there's a couple of other London ones out there, but they have since been retired. So I'm curious to know, when you go into the Diamond Art Club website and you look for just London, right, there are a couple of others that pop up. Have you done this one? Have you done some of the others? Let me know in the comments below. Before we get to the last one that I have purchased, I do want to say that if you are interested in helping support the channel, there are a couple links in the description down below. Actually, it's 3 links, not a couple. A couple is 2. There are 3 links in the description down below. So one is to go to PayPal. PayPal is a direct tip to me, and any little bit can help. I really appreciate all the gratitude that you give towards the channel, especially with the views and comments and likes and all that kind of stuff. Don't forget to like the video too. The other way that you can do it is, if you've never purchased with DAC before, with the Diamond Art Club, if you've never purchased with them before, there is an affiliate link in the description down below. If you want to purchase your first canvas through the Diamond Art Club, use that affiliate link, and that helps support the channel too. And I believe you get a little bit of a discount as well with that link. Lastly, if you want to become part of the community, if you want to be part of the group here with myself, Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and go ahead and check out our Patreon page. There are a lot of different things available. There are tiers that range anywhere from $5 to $50. You can, $5 a month, I think, is, 24-hour access to, like, early access to videos. You get access to them before they upload. You get shout out here on the channel on the end credits. $10, you get some behind the scenes stuff, and then it just kind of builds from there. The high tier one, you actually get to be involved in the story creating process, and I might be looking for some character voices too. So go ahead and take a look at those and see what you think. All right, so the last one that I bought was the Autumn Tree. Again, this one initially came out and sold out, so I had to wait for a restock to happen. But it happened a lot sooner than what I thought it was going to. This one came out here recently, and I'm really, really happy that they did a quick restock on this. Now, with this, it is pretty decent size, actually. It's 25.6 by 34.3. And I will say that it's really cool. It is really, really nice. Again, an unboxing is going to be in the future for this one. It has 86 colors, though. That'll be fun. 1 AB, 2 iridescent diamonds, which I've never seen before, and 3 fairy dust diamonds. So the iridescent diamonds, I'm actually going to be real curious to see what those look like. Again, not seen those before. I'm curious. And with this, you've got this little girl here. You have this little guy here. And then there's this little owl here. What else is on here? I think that's the biggest part of it. There's like a little cat and a little owl. There's like little animals all over the place. So I don't know. We'll think of something. We will think of something. This is why I need some help. This is why I need a little bit of help when it comes to the stories. So again, if you're interested, visit Patreon. Really appreciate the help you can give. Oh, total diamonds on this one. 91,089. It's a lot. A lot. But there we have it, everyone. 4 paintings, 4 different things that we'll be able to do with them. And I'm excited to work on those. I know, I've got so many. I have so many already. It's insane. I need more time. I need a lot more time to work on these things. However, we're getting there. I will say that I have finished Mojo. I have finished a balancing act. I'm working on putting the story of Mojo out there now. That story is 100% done. Okay, it's like 99% done. Okay, 98% done. And then balancing act will come next after that. And then I've got Gladys Golden Doodle. I have Bell and Note. There's just so many things happening with the channel. I don't know. I'm going to save all of those updates here in a different video. So be sure to be tuned to that one. But that is all we have today. Thank you all so much for joining and being part of this channel and this community. I really appreciate you guys. Until next time, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.